Hi, I'm Don from Don Does Stuff. I recently purchased a Braun Series 9 shaver. This particular kit comes with a clean and charge thing. It's an all singing, all dancing, quadruple action pro system that is Braun's best shaver, according to this. This particular model is 9376cc, and it does everything. It has a 40,000, what does it say? 40,000 synchrosonic. Yeah, so that must be magical. It is waterproof. You can use it wet or dry, and as I said, it comes with a clean and charge kit. So let's check this out. I did purchase this entirely on my own with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, so you'll see exactly what I see. I'll show you how it works, and at the end I'll show you what comes in the box. Very simple. So the shaver is very easy to use. There's a power switch right here. Single press turns it on, shows you the strength of the battery as well. I'm just going to turn that off so you're not annoyed. This switch up here adjusts whether or not the head is in floating mode, so it's following the contours of your face. And if you push it down, then it's in fixed mode or locked. But when it's locked, you can still change the angle to adjust to whatever you want. All right, and on the back, there's a trimmer attachment that slides up very simply. One thing that's not obvious unless you've actually looked at the instruction manual is that the power switch is also the travel lock. So if you push and hold that button, a little red lock appears, and when it goes solid, then your unit is locked so that a little press on that will not activate it. To get out of travel lock, you press and hold it again, and there you go. Very simple. Let's see how it does on my face. Yeah, so very nice and smooth, very close shave there. There's no stubble where I've shaved. Obviously, I haven't done everywhere, but yeah, very nice, very smooth on your face, and it's very comfortable. So when you're done shaving, you can either clean it manually, in which case there's little buttons on either side. You push that, and the foil thing comes off, and then to put it back on, you just press it. Or you can use the automatic clean and charge thing, which I'll show you next. So here's the clean and charge unit. Let's face it, this thing is very bulky. I don't think they could make it particularly smaller and still fit the cartridge in there and all the rest of that. But yeah, it's bulky. They've done a decent job though. Previous units like this cord kind of stuck out sideways. This one's nicely recessed. You do have to be careful that you don't tip it because that fluid is floating in there and it will spill. So to clean your shaver, you just take it, you put it in like that, just kind of drop it in and push it towards the back. When it's in position, it'll beep and the display will light up. There's a little, I don't know whether you can see this, but there's some little droplets there indicating that it needs to be cleaned. And then to actually clean it, you don't have to clean it every time. It's charging, which is probably fine. If you've just done a light shave, then you may not need to clean it. But otherwise, you press the button here, and it activates the cleaning cycle in a few seconds. Yeah, there we go. It activates the shaver. It's forcing fluid through there, and then it cycles on and off a few times. It takes several minutes to actually clean it, but I mean, it's just sitting there doing it itself, and you don't have to watch it or anything, so that's fine. And it actually has a little fan to dry off the fluid when it's done. All right, so that's all there is to it. The fluid in there, I haven't used it long enough to confirm this absolutely, but it's supposed to last 3 or 4 weeks, depending on how often you actually use it. And it is available in recharge units. If you buy like 6 at a time, it works out to about 6 or 7 Canadian dollars per month. So there you go, the Braun Series 9 shaver. I like it. It does a great job on my face, very nice and smooth. It gets all the places, and there's no irritation or anything like that, at least for me. It's got 40,000 synchro shaves, or whatever the heck that means. It does a good job, is the bottom line. And as I said, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money, and this is just my review as you see it. Thanks for watching. So here's what comes in the box: the Series 9 shaver itself, a travel case that fits it nice and neat, and you can pop in a cleaning brush if you wish, the charge cable that works for both the shaver and the clean and charge kit. I will point out that this does not fit in the travel case, so if you are on an extended trip, you'd need to pack that separately. Now, the clean and charge unit is for cleaning and charging your shaver. The shaver goes in like that and pushes to the back, and then you press the on button and it does its little magic, which I'll show you in a second. So to set that up, you do need to install the little cartridge of fluid that comes with it. Now, this is a cleaning fluid as well as a lubricant. So you, like I showed you there, you pop the little thing up and the thing comes up. You remove the cap that comes with it and then insert it carefully, because it is full to the brim, and they do mention don't tip this thing over because it will spill. Slides in like that all the way. Pop it down and you're ready to go. Oh, well, you need to plug the charger in order for that thing to operate. Now, the only other thing that comes in the box is the instructions. They're quite clear and reasonable. And then there's this mysterious piece of paper. Now, this thing is, there's no words on it other than the brand, and it says do this, don't do that, the other thing, and some of them are, I don't even know what it means. Like, I don't know what it means. A check mark with no bubbles or drops or something like that. I'm not sure what that means, because this is a waterproof. You can wash it underwater as it shows up here. So I don't know what that one means. And there's some equally mysterious things on this side. But anyways, it's not that complicated to use.